the great social slumber party, a week without the gram. In an era where our thumbs seem to have a mind of their own, scrolling through social media has become an unconscious habit. But what if we were to break free from this digital trance? Inspired by the spirit of Jenny, the pioneering journalist known for her daring undercover exploits, we're embarking on an experiment that will put our social media dependence to the test. The challenge, a week without social media. We're gathering a group of brave individuals to surrender their devices for a whole week. No tweets, no Instagram updates, no mindless scrolling. Just real-life connections, board games, craft nights, stargazing, and city explorations. Will they experience withdrawal symptoms or discover hidden talents and forgotten passions? Why detox? Just as Jenny exposed the harsh realities of Blackwell's Island, we want to uncover what lies beneath the glossy surface of social media. Is constant connection truly fulfilling, or are we missing out on genuine experiences? By ditching our devices, we'll explore the benefits of digital detoxing, from improved sleep quality to enhanced focus and productivity. The experiment. Our intrepid slumber party guests will trade their phone chargers for face-to-face interactions and engaging activities. We'll document their journey, sharing their struggles and triumphs. Will they emerge from their digital detox with a newfound sense of clarity, or will the allure of social media prove too strong? Join the journey. Follow our social slumber party and discover if you too can break free from the scroll. Maybe you'll even be inspired to try your own digital detox and rediscover the vibrant world waiting just beyond your phone screen. Expert insights. Clinical psychologist Dr. Roberta Babb emphasizes the importance of taking breaks from social media to reconnect with oneself and one's values. Licensed professional counselor Leah Rockwell suggests that reducing social media use to set times can help maintain focus and balance. Resources. For those interested in trying a social media detox, we've compiled a list of resources, including tips for a successful detox, the benefits of digital detoxing, and expert opinions on the impact of social media on mental health. The question remains, can you last a week without the gram? Join us on this journey of self-discovery and find out.